Bollywood couples without child. Anushka Sharma and Virat Kohli. On 11th of December 2017, the Indian skipper got married with his long-term girlfriend Anushka Sharma. This couple is currently too much busy with their respective careers and decided not to become parents yet. Sonam Kapoor and Anand Ahuja. Sonam Kapoor got married with her longtime boyfriend Anand Ahuja on 8th of May 2018. Sonam is currently focusing on her career and does not want to become a parent now. Bipasha Basu and Karan Singh Grover. Karan got married for the third time with Bipasha on 30th of April in the year 2016. Even after 3 years of happy conjugal life, this couple decided not to become parents so soon. John Abraham and Priya Ranchal. John tied the knot with Priya Ranchal on 3rd January in the year 2014 in a secret ceremony. It has been 6 years that this couple is married, but they are still not ready for kids in their life. Preity Zinta and Jean Goodenough. Bollywood actress Preity Zinta got hitched with Jean on 29th of February in 2016. The actress is now 45 years old, but she is still not ready to become a mother. Vidya Balan and Siddhant Roy Kapoor. Supremely talented actress Vidya got married with producer Siddhant on 14 December 2012. The couple is married for 7 years, but they still do not want kids in their married life. Aftab Shivdasani and Neen Dosanjh. Aftab secretly married his girlfriend Neen on 5th June in the year 2014. Even after so many years of marriage, this couple does not want to become parents right now. Urmila Matondkar and Mohsin Akhtar Mir. Bollywood actress Urmila tied the knot with businessman Mohsin on 3rd March 2016. This actress is now 45 years old and she still does not want to be a mother. Shabana Azmi and Javed Akhtar. Javed Akhtar have kids from his previous marriage with Hani Rani, Farhan and Zoya. But Shabana and Javed Akhtar does not have any kid of their own. Salim Khan and Helen. Salim has his kids from his previous marriage with Salma. With Helen, Salim Khan does not have any kids of their own. Anupam Kher and Kiran Kher. Anupam Kher is Kiran Kher's second husband and she has a son from her previous marriage. But Anupam Kher and Kiran Kher does not have kids of their own. Sangeeta Bijlani and Azharuddin. Cricketer Azharuddin was married when he fell in love with Sangeeta Bijlani and got married with her. But Azharuddin and Sangeeta does not have kids of their own. Leave your thought in comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates.